What's up everyone, Coach Nick here, and today I am bringing you 5 alternative exercises for the back squat. The thing is, not everyone can or should be doing them. So if you're one of those people that the back squat just doesn't quite work for you, let's go check out a couple exercises you can do instead. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, then please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all next week with another video.